Just make sure you clean all the road dirt or loose dirt around the pan. Now these pans are Silastic on, so you got to carefully use a blade like this. This one's been sharpened on the side and on there, so you can hammer it in and then just sort of cut that Silastic. So you just carefully hammer it in. And it's important, if you are moving it left and right, be aware that sometimes in here in the transmission you've got wiring going to the solenoids. You don't want to damage that while you're doing that. And because of the subframe there, you can't really do the other side, so you just do any access points that you can and just slowly work it off. Just started to loosen it now. You can see the whole pan wriggling, and we're being careful not to bend the pan rail, or you've got to basically get a new pan for it. Still will be a little bit of oil in there. There we go. Easy peasy.